Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. As you can see, this is really nice and easy pattern to follow. You can start the pattern by any kind of edge or rib you like. In this tutorial I'm going to show you first how to make this rib, and then we are working on that pattern. Let's get started. I'm going to make only small samples. What we have to do, you have to chain the length you like. Then after that, we are going to make one single crochet in each chain. As I told you, now I'm going to show you how to make the edge. After that, we are going to start the pattern. So as I told you, you are going to make one single crochet in each chain until to reach the end of the row. For row 2, we are going to start by chain 2 and return the work. Then we are going to make grab the yarn in the first stitch, then again grab the yarn in the second one. Now we have only 5 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. We are going to make them together. What we have to do, we start in the same stitch by grab the yarn, again grab the yarn in the next stitch. We have 5 loops and make them together, and we repeat by grab the yarn and make all 5 together. As you can see, I'm going to start exactly in the same stitch and the next one. Like this. Just repeat that one until the end of the row. I'll do that and I'll be back. This is the end of row 1, 2. For row 3, we are going to chain 1, return the work, and we make one single crochet on the top of each stitches, like that, and we repeat until the end of the row. This is the way we knit this edge, and also you can use this pattern for any kind of other project like a scarf, baby blanket, or a hat, bags, whatever you like. Okay, this is the end of row 3. Now we are going to make I'm going to use the needle now to make the pattern, because as you can see here, for edge I use the needle and crochet that part, the rest is going to be knitted. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to start by take the, can you see here, the edge and the loops, and try to grab the yarn like this. I'm going to do that one by one to insert my needle at the back loops and grab the yarn like this. And I keep continue until the end of the row. As you can see here, I already took all of the stitches. For the pattern I need to have multiple of 3 plus 2 stitches for edges. What can I do in this row? Just we are going to do the normal knitting all stitches, and I'm going to continue by knit 6 rows like that, and it means that just 1 row knit, 1 row pull for 6 rows, and I'll be back. Now we are going to work on the pattern. This part is really optional. You can start the pattern immediately after the edge, or like me you can start to knit 6 rows then the pattern. What we have to do, because I already finished 6 rows, we are going to take the first one, then for the next 3 just knit these 3 together, yarn over and knit again. Repeat by knit 3, yarn over and knit these 3 again, and we keep continue like this until the end of the row. Next row we are going to pull all stitches. I'm going to finish this row and the next row pull all stitches, and I'll be back. Now I'm in row 3 of the pattern. We are going to take the first one, knit 1, because we want to pattern comes in the middle. After knit 1 we are going to take the next 3, knit together, yarn over and knit together again, and we repeat the pattern until the end of the row. Knit 3, yarn over. At the end of the row you are going to have extra stitches, doesn't matter, just you have to knit it normal. Next row again pull all stitches, as you can see here in this row I have 2 extra stitches. We are going just normal knit and the edge. I'm going to pull the next row and I'll be back. Now as you can see the pattern looks like that. Now we are in row 5. We are going to repeat exactly like row 1 for the pattern. It means that after we take the first one we repeat by just knit 3, yarn over, knit 3. We'll do that again until the end of the row, and for the next row also we are going to, you can see here you have the pattern like this. I'll do that and I'll be back. I already finished row 6. As you can see here the pattern looks like that. Now it's time to repeat again the pattern by knit 6 row, and then after that repeat this 6 row like that one. As you can see here, after this lacy pattern I knitted 6 rows, then again I start the lacy pattern and repeat exactly like row 1 and pattern 1 and pattern 2 until you reach your desired length. That's all. I think I hope you are going to enjoy the pattern. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.